Oh, look at the little babies. Hi. Hi. Hi, Izzy. Bye-bye, see what you doing? What are you doing, Izzy? What are you doing?
The concern was that if he's capable of firing a weapon with your vehicle and killing one and crippling another, what's going to happen the next time somebody crosses him? So he was considered armed and he was considered dangerous.
Hi. TV. Hi, Diamond. Hi, Diamond. Back to Izzy. Hi. All right. Peace. Say peace out, homie. Izzy, give me a high five really quick. Give me a high five. Izzy, give me a high five. Izzy, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Izzy, don't eat crackers. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. All right. Give me a cooker. All right, forget it.